Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa sauce for nachos. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients, which truly elevate the taste. Then, I'll guide you through roasting your vegetables to unlock rich, smoky flavors. Finally, we'll discuss how to perfectly balance the heat, ensuring your salsa is just right for everyone. Get ready to transform your nacho experience. Let's gather our essential ingredients for a fantastic salsa. Start with about 1.5 pounds of ripe tomatoes. Roma or vine-ripened varieties work wonderfully. You'll also need 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For heat, grab 1 or 2 jalapenos, or serranos if you prefer more kick. Remember, removing the seeds reduces the spice level significantly. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this salsa making guide, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: just like making great salsa, building wealth requires simple, clear steps. Check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's get those vegetables roasted to perfection. Place your tomatoes, onion, and peppers on a baking sheet and roast them until they are slightly charred and softened. Once cooled, transfer them to a blender or food processor. Add your fresh garlic and cilantro. Pulse the mixture until you achieve your preferred consistency, whether you like it chunky or super smooth. This step truly brings out the rich flavors. With your salsa blended, it's time to season it perfectly. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and the juice of 1 fresh lime. Stir everything together thoroughly. Now, taste your salsa and adjust the seasonings as needed. Feel free to add more spice or lime. For the best flavor, let your salsa chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows all the flavors to truly meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.